Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I was asked to step out of my comfort zone and wear some matte nails, so I will do that. I will link up here where the product review that I went over them, but I've also got some amazing products in from Shemodern. These are the new series of water decals foils. They're all foils. This is vine number 4. I believe this is rose gold. I'll correct it on the screen if I'm wrong. And look at that color. It looks a little bit more copper to me, but there's a lot of definitions of what rose gold is out there. And the vines, this is vine 4, comes in, this is the mixed art 18. Vines 4 comes in there along with more vines. There's a lot of vines out there, everybody. Comes with the birds, flowers, and the new butterflies. This is matte gold. This is 18. And these ornaments really spoke to me. This is also in matte gold. These are solid ornaments. And here's the difference, matte gold and regular gold. And they have all these new lines. I've only got one of the lines. This is decorative 3. These are in hollow. They've got some many more items. They have grass, they have new butterflies, they have more types of lines, they have branches. I mean, every color that they sell, they have all these gorgeous things. So I'll be adding these to my manicure as well. So let's get started. And I was asked to step out of my comfort zone, so here I am. First off, I'm going to test out the Bondtime Healthy Polish from a review up here. This is their base coat. I'm going to see if it works under gel polish. So I have that on and completely dried. It has to dry for 90 seconds. So this from my collection, I'll link this all up here. This is 1011. Apply it to a few nails and be right back with you for the water decals. I forgot I was going to do this as a different color, so we'll see if it peels up right now. So it works with one coat of gel polish. Okay, while I let the Bondtime dry, I went ahead and cut out some decals. And let's try out this color. This is 1541 from Modelones. Told you I was gonna go bolder. Someone asked me about my gorgeous mattes. Remember, this comes in a kit with both matte and shiny top coat. Put that on way too thick. Your gel polish will tend to lift if you put it on way too thick. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm taking some back off of the bottle or the nail. I'm going to cure this. Make sure none's on my skin. Okay, while I was top coating and curing, I have some sitting out. Didn't get enough water on that one. I like to top coat mine in with glossy top coat. Matte top coat, I guess, would work. I haven't tried it. Just because, in case I need to reposition something, I can. And let's just play around. They come off so instantly fast. Just press it down with a paper towel. Pretty sure it was already stuck, but since I'm going to be top coating it, I want to make sure everything's dry. I'm going to try doing something on the side. This is a new series. I want to see what they look like. Forgot to get my nail wet first. It's very important. I'm finding it helps me move, manipulate. And you can just take off. I only want 3 dots. Decided last second, I only want 3. These will go back on the papers after they dry. If you don't want to use them in your design. They're very delicate. So don't pull on them. Got a little sticking over the edge. I just dip into my alcohol and just clean that right up. It'll dissolve the whole foil if you're not careful, so please be careful. Just want to play around with the new designs. This finger hardly ever gets shown in my pictures, so let's play around with some more. This is a rose gold, I believe. And yes, I'm still going to mat them out, I think, at this point. Yep. That looks good. They're flat as possible on my nail. I press paper towel down. I like that one. Oh, it's going to be so hard for me not to go shiny. Chase it around. Upside down. Let's place it on there. That's cute. Let's see what vines number 4 looks like. Ooh, I like that. If it wrinkles up anywhere, you can get out the alcohol and dissolve away in between the foil. I might not have enough on my brush. Dissolve away in between and press down. That's kind of like cutting the foil. Oops. That's like cutting the foil. All I did was put a little alcohol between where it's just clear at to make it just dissolve away the background of the foil. If you get this on the foil, it will dissolve that too. As some of you may have seen in my video on Color Street polish, I dissolved this stuff right up. Loving these vines. Loving, loving, loving. See, I didn't trim this one up very much at all. I didn't know where I was placing them. Didn't get my nail wet either. You know what? No. I want to use my little dots. I'm going to save this one, and what you do, just take that paper Preferably you don't fold it. Let it dry or adhere back to the paper and just dry. If you remember which one you got it off of, that would be the best. I'm just gonna let that dry back up, put it back in my packet, and let it save it for next time. I decided I wanted to get some more of these dots out. This is from the Decorative 3. I'm gonna size it up. Seems like 3 dots again. 3 little triangles. So I don't need those anymore except for this one. Trust me, we don't waste here. You put it on the glossy side of the paper if you can tell which one it is. Stick it back on, let it dry, put it right back in your package. It's good for next use. I've got some feather babies above me getting into a mess. They say quit doing your nails. Just put some water down and it slides right off. Instant, instant, instant. I just wanted to mix it up quite a bit. A little bit more. I got a little bit of wrinkle in, so just take, ooh, too much alcohol. Well, I dissolved most of it. Wipe that brush off. You want a damp brush, not a solid brush. Just dissolve away any excess strip. Or you can pre-cut it. I wasn't thinking. The little feather babies above my head getting into trouble. Oh, what's gonna seem like magic. Those of you that wanted to see me do matte, here we go. My favorite matte top coat. This is the Modelones matte top coat. I'm going to matte them out. I've done a pink rosy matte earlier this year. See, for me, doing my nails is just easier this way. So excuse me. I'm going to cure this and watch the magic as it comes out of the lamp. Okay, you want to see them fresh out of the nail lamp? Here they are, matted, yet the foils still shine through because these are the foils that are shiny. This one's matte already, this one's matte. It doesn't interfere with the foils at all. I like that. See, the matte gold. I believe this is gold rose. Pretty cool effect. I like it. Thank you everyone for watching me. I'm sorry that my birds were being little juvenile delinquents in the background. But thank you everyone for being here. I hope that you enjoyed the little birdie chatters that were going on and the little mischief they were getting in. They destroyed something up above me. Some wall decor. It was old. It's okay. They had fun. I hope everybody had a great day. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.